Your advice is sought. 19.1a. 19.1a, what it is stating? Subject to 19.2. Move towards 19.2 in this question. First say 19.1a, freedom of speech and expression to all citizens. Take subject to reasonable restrictions in 19.2. On what grounds? Those grounds you apply here. Getting it? हो गया answer. State has made law for these. So that means state is working towards that. So is state really, by enacting this law or these laws, is state really working towards reaching those goals in DPSP? That is the main issue in this question. Yes, and those restrictions in 19.2. So here you have to finally conclude, give your advice based on the above discussion. The advice will be that it is constitutional. We can argue on these lines.